Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Sienna maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm your odometer is displaying the trip meter A reading. If it's not, simply press the ODO/trip button until trip A appears on the display. This is a crucial first step for a successful reset. Now turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the ODO/trip button. While still holding this button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will see the maintenance light flash, then disappear, indicating a successful reset. Once the maintenance light disappears, you can release the ODO/trip button. Now, go ahead and start your engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If the light reappears, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step precisely. Sometimes it takes a second attempt. Remember, resetting the maintenance light only clears the indicator. It doesn't address any underlying service needs. This light typically reminds you of scheduled maintenance, like an oil change. If the light persists after several reset attempts, or if you notice any unusual vehicle behavior, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.